Did we just discover the root cause of lupus? A new Stanford study has shown that lupus is connected to a common virus that many of us have been exposed to. The study found that the Epstein-Barr Virus, or EBV for short, the virus that causes mono, does something far more powerful to our immune systems than we previously thought. In people with lupus, the Epstein-Barr virus hides in a small population of B cells, but those cells become command centers that reprogram the immune system. The virus uses a protein called EBNA2 to switch on human genes that drive inflammation and autoantibody production. And what the study found was that the difference was massive. Healthy people have fewer than 1 in 10,000 B cells carrying EBV, whereas people with lupus had about 1 in 400. That is a dramatic shift, and it points to EBV acting as a direct engine behind the autoimmune attack. Now, this fits into a bigger story that we have been seeing for years. The strongest study ever done on multiple sclerosis showed that EBV infection increased MS risk. Other research has linked EBV reactivation with long COVID symptoms. So across different diseases, EBV keeps showing up as a major environmental trigger that pushes the immune system into dysfunction. The crazy part is, most people have been exposed to EBV by adulthood, and most people get it through saliva, usually in childhood or the teenage years, often without even knowing. There is no vaccine yet, and the best prevention is basic hygiene, like not sharing drinks and avoiding saliva exposure when someone has symptoms. If you read the research, it's actually really exciting, but I want to be very clear about the limitations here. EBV is extremely common, but lupus is not. That means EBV is one piece of the puzzle, and genetics, environment, and immune history still matter. Also, these studies show correlation and mechanism, but they do not prove that EBV is the single cause of lupus. Still, if future research confirms this, it opens the door to targeted therapies and maybe even an EBV vaccine that reduces autoimmune disease.